Bonjour and welcome to Easy French Cooking. Today I wanted to prepare a potato dish, but I didn't have much time because I had a lot of other things. I was very busy. So I thought, what can I do which is not gonna take a lot of preparation, but is still really full of flavors. I'm Victor and today we are going to cook pomme de terre grenaille, which is another French restaurant classic. This is basically oven-baked potatoes with olive oil and rosemary. Yes, baby, let's do this. Are we ready to cook? Let's go! And here we go. What do we need for our pomme de terre grenaille? We need for 4 people about 500 grams of nice small potatoes. We need some rosemary, olive oil, and salt. That's it. Gear! Well, this is one of the simplest recipes. What do we need here? All we need is a salad bowl, a wooden spoon, and some kitchen foil. Nothing else. First of all, we rinse the potatoes and then we dry them. Then the potatoes go into the bowl. Next, the olive oil, about 3 spoonfuls. It's not an exact science. Okay, I put 4. There you go. Salt. Now we add the rosemary. Mix well. Already smells lovely. This mix of olive oil and rosemary. Oh, I just love it. I just love it. Look at that. Right. Okay, so now we just place our potatoes on the foil on an oven tray. And this, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is the only preparation we need. You will have preheated your oven at 200 degrees and now everything goes in for 45 minutes. Dun, dun, dun. And voila! Pomme de terre grenaille, magnificent, golden on the outside and soft inside. They melt in your mouth. Oh, bon appetit. Well, you want easy French cooking, you get easy French cooking. That was so simple, so quick, and yet so delicious and full of flavors. Potatoes grenaille go really well with meat or fish, very simple, and they add something really special to your meal. Alright guys, talk to me, let me know what you think in the comments. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. And if you want to keep up to date with all the new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Easy French Cooking. Ring that bell, check out my other videos. Alright, see you for another video. Look after yourself, keep on cooking. À bientôt!